Hello everyone. So last time we have installed the Visual Studio 2019 to build the data pipelines and reports and cubes. But what I have seen during the installation, not a bug, but that's something that I want to actually bring into your installation, into your attention, that you might face the similar issue as well. So let me just go and create a new project. And I'm going to use the integration services. I'm just going to put it. Okay, just giving a name. I just want to show you a scenario. Now you can see Azure tools are disabled by default, and you need to install one particular application from Microsoft to get it enabled. And I'm going to actually show you because I've already installed it. So I've already executed first step, unfortunately, but I'm going to point you on the step that I have already done. So if I come in here, bear with me, I might confuse. Maybe it's in here. So what you need to actually install the Azure feature pack for 2019 SSIS, whatever your studio version is. You just need to go and search for it, because that's how you can find the right software application for you. So you can download it. I'm going to actually put the link into the description once my Google Chrome is open. Just go and all of them. Let's see if I can show it to you how you can get it. So we are looking at your feature for SSIS. So I'll put that link in the description of this video, and you can actually use that link to download and install it. Let me just in order to enable this option, you need to install the feature pack, and it differ from version to version. So considering I've already installed SQL Server 2019 and I'm working with Visual Studio 2019, so I'm going to download the Azure feature pack for integration services version 2019. I'm going to show you in here. So you can see the top one, which is available, is 2019 version. And then we have, if you have the old version of Visual Studio, you can download the one which suits your Visual Studio environment. I have already installed 2019, so I downloaded and installed 2019. There's nothing particular in installing the feature pack. It's more like just use the default option and let it install. So now once you install and you open the project, you're going to be surprised, like you have created a project, all tools are coming, but Azure is still disabled. So now that's where the trick is, how you can enable this tab for your project, for newly created project or existing project. So what you're going to do, right click on your project and go to the properties, go to the configuration properties and have a look carefully in here. The target server version is not matching with your Visual Studio version and even the SQL Server, because your packages, they are going to be deployed on SQL Server for their execution, because at the end of the day, you are building all these data pipeline and you are either deploying on your local server or you're deploying either on the cloud, or you're uplifting into the Azure Data Factory services. So whatever the case is, it requires SQL Server presence versions to execute until unless we are migrating it towards the Azure Data Factory, right? So if we are just considering right now the SQL Server environment, so you can see the version is not matching. We have SQL Server 2022. However, we need 2019. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to change, and if you open that dropdown, you're going to see all 2012 to 2022, all the versions are available. And I'll select the relevant one. I'll apply that change. It's going to warn me that it's highly recommended to install all the extension, because now I'm changing the project compatibility from whatever the default is towards the downgraded version, because 2019 is now the lower version than the 2022. I'm fine with all these things. Extensions yesterday, if you remember, we have installed all the required extensions. So my extensions are already in place, and I already have a backup of my packages. Anyway, we don't have any professional package so far, so I'm good. I'm just going to click yes, and now you can see the changes has been made. Let me click OK. We have already closed, and you can see the toolbar is empty. So now if I open it up, voila, we have all these Azure features. They are enabled, and you can use these features into your SSIS package. Some of these features are really great, like you can use them to upload your bulk files into the data lake in the Azure environment, which is obviously the cloud-based environment. And there are many other options that you can use it. Really, some great features are already available. Obviously, if we want to purely switch towards Azure, then Data Factory and the Databricks is more viable solution compared to SSIS. But if you just want to start using the Azure and you want to slowly migrate your pipeline, that's the best way to start with. So I hope that will make sense, and it will help you to sort all the Azure disable issues on your environment. If you like this video, please put your comments or like the video, and I'll see you in the next video with another scenario. Thanks for watching.